Hello all. Today I'll show you how to make a very tasty snack with mushroom. I've taken 1 cup of sliced mushroom. The first step is to get it marinated. To prepare the marination, we'll first put this into a bowl. Now I'll add in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. You can reduce it if you don't want it to be very spicy. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of onion granules. It is completely optional. I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. You can replace it with garlic paste. Give it a nice mix. Let's add in 1 egg and then mix it very well. Now we will leave it to marinate for about half an hour. So by the time our mushroom gets marinated, we'll prepare the batter. For this, I'm taking 4 teaspoons of all-purpose flour into a bowl. Add in 2 teaspoons of corn flour. The corn flour gives it a nice crispiness. I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Give it a nice mix. Now we'll add in the water gradually. The batter should be such that it is not too thick or too loose. Give it a nice mix. Now our batter is ready. This is the consistency we are looking for. It's been half an hour now. Our mushroom and batter is ready here. I've heated up oil in a pan, and when it's hot enough, I have reduced the flame to medium. Now let's get the mushrooms fried. Take the mushrooms, dip it in the batter on both sides so that it is coated very well, and then drop it in the oil. Our mushrooms are brown now. It is ready to be taken out from the oil. I'm taking them out onto a plate. This is a very tasty snack and I'm sure your children would love it. Give it a try and let me know your comments in the comment box. So until we meet again with a new recipe, bye.